Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in a beautiful Trinity Palace community, one of the newest boutique neighborhood offering incredible value and quality craftsmanship. This community stands out with the spacious home site, low HOA, a kind of thought details, perfect for families, investors, or anyone wanting a brand new construction without breaking the bank. Right, today we're going to be watching two models. First up is the Hayden model, a bright open concept layout with a large kitchen, luxury finishes, and flexible floor plan with beautiful entertainment and growing families. The second model we're going to be seeing is the Sims, and this model is a sleek, modern design for efficiency. You'll love the high ceiling, smart storage, and layout that feels even bigger than what it is. So between the two upgrades, features, attractive pricing, and location, we are also here in the St. Cloud area, very close to a lot of the downtown of St. Cloud, and very close to Lake Nona as well. So we have a lot of amenities and a lot of things that you could do here in this community or around the area. There's shopping centers, there's Publix, there's a lot of shopping centers that you could go to, and things that you could do throughout the day with the family. Now, this community is going to have a resort-style pool. They're going to have a playground, dog park, walking trails, a big green area so the kids could play there, use it as a soccer field, football field, anything that they want. Now, this and in here as well, you're going to have a very low HOA, which I'm going to go over HOA and pricing at the end of this video. So right now, let's go ahead and follow me, take a look at this beautiful model. All right, so the first one we're going to be seeing, it's the Hayden model. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, around 2,000 square feet. Very nice layout, and this house as well is going to be a one-story home. But they have several here. They have right now a really good deal on a quick move in. So follow me and let's see if this one is actually that fits your needs. All right, so we finalized with the Hayden model. Now let's go see this next beautiful model. This model again is going to be The Sims model, this is a slick, modern design for efficiency. Now, this is going to be a 6-bedroom, 4-bath, and it's around 3,200 square feet. And here in this specific layout, you're going to see that they made it an upgrade in this model where you could have a gym in this model in particular. So you could have this option, whether if you want a gym, then you could just do 5 bedrooms and a gym. Or if you want to have all the 6 rooms, you could, but then they will take out the gym. So basically where the gym is going to be located, that's going to be a second room. So the structure of the house kind of changed a little bit, but definitely a very nice. So follow me and let's take a look at this one. All right, guys. So thank you very much for joining me today on this tour. Now we've finalized watching both of the models, the Hayden model and then the Sims. Now, this community has a low HOA of $66 a month. They do have a CDD of $183 as well. So this community also is going to give you, so right now of the inventory homes that they have before the end of the year, they have great inventories, and they have like a few inventory homes that they're doing great prices and great incentives. So now you could get up to, if you qualify for an FHA loan, you could get up to an 4.25 interest rate for a house, just like this one that you saw in this video. Now, just to give you an idea, what's the price point? A Hayden model is going for right now the model that the inventory that they have is going for $451,000. Now, also the Sim model, which is going to be the six. This one is going to be a 6-bedroom that they have with an extended lanai, and so for $539,000. This is the price point that they have the quick move in. So this two prices are for the quick move-in homes. However, this is the ones that they are already selected all the upgrades for you guys. And there's nothing, it's completely built and you can't select anything. However, they do have to be built options. They still have a lot of, they're starting their phase 2, so they still have lots of lots available. So you're able to go ahead and build your own if you wanted to make selections in the house. So you could do that as well. All right, guys. So thank you so much for joining me today on this tour of the Trinity Palace and a beautiful Hayden and Sim models that we saw. If you love what you saw today and want more information or private showing, feel free to reach out to the number that you're going to see below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me for more new constructions in the Central Florida. I'll see you in the next one.